Reviews Bundle presents Bluehost Review. We've been a paying Bluehost web hosting customer throughout 2017 to 2020. That means we've been monitoring their cheapest, basic, shared hosting plan performance, both average load time and uptime, for 3+ years. This Bluehost review relies heavily on data, as well as the overall experience with their hosting features and customer support. In a nutshell, all Bluehost plans offer their customers 24/7 live chat, unmetered bandwidth, and 5 email accounts. Similarly to many other website hosting companies, they too offer their new users a free domain for the first year. Their plans start from $2.95 per mo and include improved security, backups, and free SSL certificate. These help to keep your blog or website protected and safe. Overall, their last 24-month performance has been good. Bluehost is clearly at the top with its uptime 99.99% and a fast load time of 405 milliseconds, 0.4 seconds. Pros of using Bluehost hosting. 1. Best uptime 99.99% throughout the year. Uptime is one of the most important aspects when choosing a web host. After all, if your site is down, your users can't access it. So consistently good uptime should be one of your top priorities. After reviewing 30 web hosts, our benchmark for good uptime is 99.93%. The good news is that Bluehost easily surpasses this benchmark, comfortably keeping our test site live for 99.99% of the time during the last 24 months 2018 to 2020. 2. Top 5 website load speed 405 milliseconds. A report from Google last year found that the vast majority of mobile websites are way too slow. That's a problem for 2 major reasons. Google's mobile-first index can either elevate or hide your site in user searches based on its loading speeds. Studies show that slow websites almost always translate into lower sales. So, after uptime, your host's page loading times are the second most important thing that can literally make or break your site's success. We have been keeping track of Bluehost's performance since February 2018 using a third-party tool, Pingdom. And once again, we were pleased with the results, an average page loading speed of 405 milliseconds. 3. Low introductory pricing, $2.95 per mo. We'll look into Bluehost's full pricing and plans in just a moment. However, if you were to go check out the starting prices, you'll notice the lowest advertised price is $2.95 per month. That's a pretty good deal considering they've supposedly reduced it already from $7.99 per month originally. For that price, you get pretty much everything you need for a single website. That includes 50 GB SSD storage, unmetered bandwidth, a free SSL certificate, and more. So you'd be getting a pretty good value for the price, plus their consistent uptime and page loading speeds. 4. Good security options. Even though Bluehost is one of the cheaper options on the market, we have been pleased to see that they don't cut too many corners or skimp on critical features like security. Bluehost provides a lot of good security options by default, including the free SSL certificate for each plan like we mentioned earlier. All plans also include a domain privacy feature that will help keep the personal information you used to sign up for a domain private. This prevents hackers from finding and using these personal details for phishing schemes to trick you or others into handing over sensitive information. SiteLock is included to help prevent malware attacks, which are unfortunately fairly common on WordPress sites. CodeGuard is another form for protection, which also provides daily backups so you can roll back previous versions of a site if it does get hacked. Postini, from Google, is the final security tool worth noting. It provides spam protection for your email, so anything suspicious is prevented from getting in your inbox. Altogether, this is a pretty decent security package to keep your site safe and sound. 5. Many integrations, apps, and e-commerce features. Beyond the included security features, Bluehost also provides access to a huge number of different apps and integrations so you can use the most popular services on the web. For example, they have a domain manager if you'd rather just purchase and manage multiple domains through them. You can set daily, weekly, or monthly backups just in case. You can install WordPress with a single click. You can also install other popular content management systems (CMS) like Drupal, Joomla, run an e-commerce shop, and more. Plus, Bluehost will even include access to a content delivery network (CDN). These host your images and large files, taking that work off your servers, to deliver them faster to users around the world and keep your site quick at the same time. 6. Official WordPress.org recommended host. WordPress is the most widely used website platform on the market. And they only officially recommend 3 hosting partners to use with a WordPress site: Bluehost, DreamHost, and SiteGround. Of course, you can use almost any web hosting provider to create a WordPress site. But the fact that Bluehost is one of the few officially recognized partners is encouraging. 7. Easy to use for beginners. Some of the web hosts we've seen are best only for advanced users. Liquid Web, for example, is great if you know what you're doing. But they lack a user-friendly interface for non-technical people. The layout of Bluehost's control panel (cPanel) makes it easy to use. You just need to point and click in most cases. It also has features for advanced users, but beginners too can easily install and start up WordPress. Or, they can use the Bluehost website builder tools such as Weebly or Drupal to start with a template that you can customize by just dragging and dropping features. 8. 30-day money-back guarantee. Getting the best deal on web hosting usually means prepaying for a few months, a year, or several years at a time. Bluehost is no different, more on that below. But they do offer a 30-day money-back guarantee on their plans. You can try out the service to gauge their performance for yourself, and then still ask for a refund if you're not completely satisfied. 9. Customer support. Bluehost offers everything from a knowledge base, to live chat, email ticket support, and even phone support. Cons of using Bluehost hosting. Bluehost performs pretty well across the board. There are 2 big areas, however, where the costs get a little steep. Let's dive deeper into each one. 1. Higher renewal rates common in the web hosting industry. The best way to get the lowest possible price for hosting is to prepay for 1, 2, or even 3 years upfront. On the one hand, the monthly price is low, but on the other hand, prepaying for a longer period of time, between 12 to 36 months, means that you're not just committing to a few dollars, but around $100. Another thing to consider is the higher renewal rates after your introductory period expires. In this case, prepaying for a full 3 years at $3.95 is a good deal because you're locking in that low rate for as long as possible. However, at the end of that term, the rates will jump back up to their normal rates. These range from $7.99 to $8.99 per month on the most basic shared plan, depending on how long you prepay. 2. Site migrations are not free. Most web hosts we've reviewed will move your existing website over to their service for free. They see it as a friendly service that helps make new customers happy, so they'll waive any fees. Unfortunately, Bluehost doesn't do free migrations. They have a one-time fee of $149.99 that includes the migration of up to 5 websites, 20 email accounts, and any other database files for these sites. They claim it'll be quick and seamless, so you won't experience any delays or downtime. However, the fact that you have to pay for it, and pay so much, is a big con to consider. Bluehost pricing and hosting plans. 1. Bluehost's basic plan will cost you $3.95 per mo, or $2.95 with our discount link. 2. The Plus plan increases to $5.45 per mo, the same price as the Choice Plus option for unlimited websites, SSD storage, and bandwidth. They also allow you to manage unlimited domains, parked domains, and subdomains on these plans, too. 3. The Pro plan starts at $13.95 per month with all of these features and high performance from their servers. In addition, Bluehost has all major web hosting types, including VPS, cloud, and dedicated data centers. Bluehost Quick Facts. 1. Free domain? Yes for first year, then renews at $15.99. 2. Ease of sign-up, easy 2-page sign-up process. 3. Payment methods, major credit cards and PayPal. 4. Hidden fees and clauses, no refund on any domain names. Renewal rates for both domains and hosting increase. 5. Account activation. Most users enjoy instant activation. If the information is inaccurate or there's suspicion of fraud, activation might get delayed. 6. Control panel and dashboard experience. Simple and easy to use control panel. Do we recommend Bluehost? Yes, we do. Bluehost has ranked at or near the top for both uptime and loading times for more than a year. In addition, they offer strong security support, a money-back guarantee, and plenty of user-friendly apps, all for one of the lowest rates in the industry, $2.95 per month. They're not perfect, though. Renewal rates will increase after the introductory pricing ends. Also, they charge extra for site migrations, which other hosts throw in for free. But overall, Bluehost delivers strong performance and good value. I hope this video is helpful. I have links to Bluehost in the video description if you wouldn't mind using them. They are affiliate links and they would help me make these videos. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.